Have you ever encountered a frustrating message like connection failed or unauthorized access when your critical software as a service applications are trying to talk to each other? These issues can halt workflows and impact your productivity, but the good news is that they are often resolvable with a structured approach. Resolving common software as a service application programming interface connection problems typically involves a systematic troubleshooting process. You will need to check credentials, network access, application programming interface documentation, and system logs to identify the root cause, which can range from expired tokens to incorrect endpoint configurations. The underlying reason for these connection issues often stems from the client-server model, where one application makes a request to another through its application programming interface. If any part of this digital handshake fails, whether it is authentication, network path, or data formatting, the connection will break. Understanding this fundamental communication flow helps in diagnosing where the disruption occurs. To begin troubleshooting, first, verify your authentication credentials. This is the most frequent culprit. Check that all application programming interface keys, tokens, or usernames and passwords are up to date and correctly entered. Many services have expiration dates for access tokens, requiring periodic renewal. Next, confirm network connectivity. Ensure there are no firewalls, proxy servers, or network policies blocking outbound requests from your application or inbound responses from the service. You can often test this with simple ping or curl commands if you have the necessary system access. After confirming credentials and network, consult the application programming interface documentation for the service you are trying to connect to. Look for specific error codes or messages and cross-reference them with the documentation for potential solutions. Pay close attention to rate limits, as exceeding them can temporarily block your access. Finally, dive into the system logs of both the sending and receiving applications. These logs provide invaluable insights into the exact nature of the error, often detailing the request and response in full, including specific error codes and messages that pinpoint the problem. A key insight in application programming interface troubleshooting is leveraging tools like Postman or Insomnia. These allow you to manually send requests and observe responses, isolating whether the problem lies with your application's code or the application programming interface itself. Regularly reviewing system logs for patterns and anomalies can also preempt future issues, transforming reactive troubleshooting into proactive maintenance. By systematically addressing authentication, network configuration, and consulting detailed application programming interface documentation and logs, you gain the ability to quickly diagnose and fix connectivity glitches. This ensures your software as a service ecosystem remains integrated and efficient, empowering your business operations to run smoothly and reliably.
Like what you learned? Subscribe and stay sharp with the SaaS Pros Breakdown.